I recently cut my hair and let's do blow dryer together. Keep watching. Of course, we're gonna use our heating spray first. Make sure you spray entire hair very well. I mean, you don't want to keep your hair look sticky, but you are gonna use at least that your hair does not get damaged. So that's basically a heat protector. After that, I'm gonna divide my hair. This is actually a very quick one. Like, I don't take much time doing blow dryer in my hair. I barely use like 5 minutes, maximum 5 minutes to blow dryer my hair. But the love and the look of that, it's good. I really love that. So thought to share with you guys as well. You see how quickly I'm doing it, like, and in my entire hair I will do only 3 partition and that's it, and my hair will look so good, so like silky, shiny, very movement, and everything you will see at the end. And yes, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel. My channel is Hetalbeutysstudio. You can share with friends and family and give me a thumbs up. Subscribe, please. I know people do ask me sometimes that, like, if we are using a blow dryer in a regular basis, doesn't that damage our hair? I mean, yes, if you are going to use a blow dryer in a daily basis or any of the heating product, even if it's the flat iron, curling iron, no matter how secure it is, no matter which brand is that. But at the end, of course, it's a heating product, and whenever we are putting so much heat on our hair, yes, it is gonna damage your hair, but then again, you have to cure your hair as well. You cannot think that, oh, just using a shampoo or conditioner regularly or buying expensive things and using those products in a regular basis, then your hair will be good. No, actually, that's a myth. That's not actually true. Like, if we are hungry and if you want to eat, but imagine if you are eating the same food every single day, don't you get bored? The same way, like doing only using any expensive product or doing just the chemically treated treatment, it's not good all the time. You have to use some natural remedies in your hair to keep your hair smooth, silky, shiny, and keeping your hair growth at the same amount. Not saying that the expensive products for hair, it's not good. Of course it's good, but then at the same time, what I believe is, and then we have to look our natural remedies as well. I do have a front flicks, so I always use my front flicks at the end like that, so give you more volume at the front face look. And see how stunning this look. Oh my god, I just love that, and it's very time effortlessly. Majority of my hacks and videos and everything, it's like very time minimum and not time consuming at all. And the blow dryer that I'm using is a Revlon one-step blow dryer. I hope you guys like this video. See you next time. Bye. See ya.